So welcome to February 12 mentorship. My name is Luis Leal, also known as PAPAFOREX, and I'm one of the educators here in e-economy. I've been in the Forex industry for 30 years, and I'm here to help you understand a little bit more about the scanner, Manara Scanner, this wonderful scanner that looks on the market, checks the market for harmonic patterns and graphic patterns. These are patterns that you will learn about. You will learn in the next couple of sessions, but I will teach you a strategy that it's extremely simple, that you can apply even if you have 1-2 hours a day to trade. You can apply it. And for that, in order to explain to you, I'm going to share my Manara site. Now, if you're having problems connecting to Manara, what I recommend that you do is reset your pin. That's the only problem that you have. Reset your pin, and you'll be able to have access to your Manara. Let me see if I can tell you how to do that. When you go to your web page, log in as usual. And then let me change it to English. Give me a second. This is a new website. And let's go to English. Okay. So when you go to Forex Hub right here on the left, then you see Manara. And then right here where it says reset pin, click there. And you will be able to make a pin, a new pin, a 6-digit pin. That's all you need, guys, okay, to reset it. And then you will have access to it. This is my Manara, and I have access to it. So let's go straight to the strategy. It's very simple. The first thing that we want to do is go to notifications, top right, and then click on settings. And this is the settings that I use, H1, M15, and D. I select these three, okay? And then bat, Garley, bullish, bearish, and C point, okay? That's all you need to do. That's all the settings that you need to change. You do this one time, and they're going to stay like that forever. Okay, then you go to watch list, and these are the symbols that I work with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 symbols. You add them, you deselect these two, take them, deselect them, and just add the symbols right here. For example, AUD/USD, and then it's going to appear here. Select all the ones that have Oanda to the right, okay? So you just add these symbols, and that's all. This strategy works with other symbols, but these 7 pairs are the ones that have the best results, okay? Now, let's select one, USD/CHF. As a matter of fact, I just sent this trade signal to Solex. So the first thing you need to do is, actually, let me remove all the drawings so I don't confuse you. This is the way you're going to see it the first time, like that. Now, here on the top left, click on this right here, this icon right here, this menu, and you're going to see this. Sometimes it goes right here. You can move it, but here where it says hide, it's to clean, to delete all these lines. Click hide, you see? Now, the next thing you need to do is grab your Fibonacci tool right here. The Fibonacci, you find it 1, 2, 3 here, the third option. Click on this arrow, and you're going to see it. You're going to find it all the way down here. See, I just click here so I can have the star activated, this yellow star. Do that. And then what's going to happen is it's going to make another menu right here. This is your favorites menu. This favorites menu, it will appear when you click on your right button, and then you go to drawing tools, and and select favorite drawing tool. See, I have it. I already selected it. So I'm going to deselect it or unselect it. See, there's nothing there. Let me add it again. Drawing tools, favorite. There we have it. And here's the Fibonacci that we selected from the left side. So I'm going to click on Fibonacci, and I'm just going to put it on any place right here. And then just double click this any place, or even easier, when you draw it here, then go to settings tabs right here. This is called settings. That way you can configure your Fibonacci. And these are the levels that I use: 0, 1, 1.5, 2, and 3. Extend lines, prices, background all the way to the left, to the right, I mean. This is the way I have it. So go ahead and take a picture or do it exactly like this. And then click on OK. And that's it. You have your Fibonacci configured. Now, once it is configured, this is what you need to do. Every time you see a notification, then you need to find where it's point B, to locate point B and point C. That's the 2 points, the 2 points of interest that you need to look for, okay? So you grab your Fibonacci, then always your entry point is going to be C, always. And your stop loss is going to be B right there. Always C is your entry point and B is your stop loss. So this is the entry that we can, that I sent you, USD CHF. So this is TP1, this is TP2, and this is TP3, and this is the entry, okay? And this is the stop loss. So what we want the market to do is to go from this area all the way to TP3, okay? It works. The higher the time frame, the better. In 5 minutes, you have a lower percentage of what's it called, effectiveness. So the bigger the better. So I use it on 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day time frame. Why? Because after more than 10,000 tests, 10,000 a back test of more than 10,000 trades, so it gave me the best values there. So it gives me a 70%, close to 70% percentage of profit, okay? So once you do that, that's all you need to do. You don't need another indicator. That's it. You need nothing else, nothing else. Let's check another notification. GBP, euro dollar, for example. Euro dollar. You clean the chart right here. Now I told you point C is the entry point and point B is the stop loss. There we go. So you see, on this example, Euro USD, we want the price to go from here all the way up here. That's it. You're not gonna use a market order. You're gonna use a pending order. This is very important, okay? Now let's check GBP USD. Oh, we have an old one. Hold on. We have 2 orders, 2 pending orders. No, 2 active orders. We have GBP USD and USD CHF. Let's check GBP USD. This is an old one. And let's see right here. Why I sent you this one. Here you can see when we got the notification, I found point B and point C. You see, I want the price to go down all the way to my TPs. Now, what it did, the market, is that the price went up. This is called retracement. And we don't know if it's going to continue up or down. But that's the reason why we only use pending orders. Because if you enter market execution, then you will be losing right now. Okay, it's a pending order because that's going to give us a higher what's it called, percentage that price will go down. okay? If it turns around and goes up like it's doing right here, it's okay. It doesn't matter. We can cancel that order because it's doing a retracement. But we can wait. We can wait until we get a new notification. So now, for example, this is GBP USD 60 minute, right? Now, let's see, we have a new notification on the 60 minute. This is the one that we were looking at. So we got another GBP USD, but this is daily, and we got GBP USD, but these are 15 minutes. So that means that this GBP USD H1 is still active, okay? Because we don't have, Manara hasn't found another one to replace this one, okay? Now, for example, if we check GBP USD daily chart, let's see how it looks. It looks like it is also telling us to go up, right? And this is good because it's the same. No, sorry. It's saying to go up because, let's see, let's analyze the chart. See, you see how the trend is coming down? On the 1 hour, it looks like it's going to start falling. But on the daily chart, it looks like it's going to go up. But it's okay. It doesn't mean that we are wrong. It just means that the price doesn't go up on a straight line, okay? It goes up and then comes down, up and down, up and down. So if maybe the daily chart it's going up, but the hourly chart is coming down because it's doing a retracement. So they're both correct, okay? So that's the only thing you can see here. So on the daily chart that I don't trade much, I only use it for analysis. It's saying to go up. Now let's go to the 15 minute. 15 minute, it's this one. And the 15 minute, it's saying 15 minutes is saying go up also. Now, point C, point B. Now, as you can see, let me put this one another color. Let's put it yellow. There we go. So we can differentiate both. Let's go to the original one, which is H1. And look what happened. Look what happens. So we have the original one, which is H1. Oh, let me erase this one. This was the daily chart. Okay, right there. The original one, which was the 1 hour, we're saying to go down. But then the yellow one is the 15 minutes. The 15 minute is telling us to go up. So you see, the 15 minute could go up on the 15 minute, and then maybe it can turn around. Okay, so you see, even if you have the hourly on a sell, and if you have the 15 minutes on a buy, it's not wrong. Okay, it's not necessarily wrong. It's just different time frames. Okay, so we can enter this new GBP USD on the 15 minute and still leave the 1 hour signal still pending. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do on it was this one. Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Let me erase this one. There we go. There. So this will be our new entry on GBP USD. Now, I explained to you all of this because if you're looking at the trades and you don't come to the webinars, you're going to see GBP buy and you will see GBP sell. And you're going to say, this guy is crazy. Why he buys and sells at the same time? It's because it's different time frame. Is that maybe when you have from one educator buy gold and another one says sell gold, says, oh my God, these guys are confused. One says buy, the other one says sell. Yeah, but it could be that they're in different time frames. One, it's scalping, I mean, quick. Probably he wants to get $1, $2, and the other one wants to get $5, $6, $10 profit. So different time frames. So that's going to happen here. So I hope you can explain this to your teammates, the ones that don't come to the webinars, so they understand a little bit more of that. When the class ends, I'm going to send this trade idea to the group through Solex, okay? So euro dollar, maybe we can take this one. Yeah, we can take this one. We can take this one together. So euro dollar on 15-minute chart. So Solex. Let me move this to the side and let's send this trade idea. Your settings under notifications, right there. Right there, Camille. I have a daughter named Camille. Let me see. H1, M15, and D. Pattern bat, Garley. Pattern type, bullish bearish, and C point. Only C point, okay? Hope you got it. Now, let's put this trade. Let's put this trade. So this is oops. Hold on, where my shot? Where's my shot? There we go. Okay. Settings. Can this strategy work? Setting. Can I work this strategy with gold? Yes, you can, Manuel. Eleazar, can you go back to your Fibonacci settings? Yes, of course. Fibonacci settings. There we go. That's Fibonacci settings. For some of us, Solex doesn't work. Yeah, I know, Alexandra. So I'll keep sending the signals to the Telegram group. Alexandra, are you in the Telegram group? Let me know if you're in the Telegram group. Camille, gotta thank you, Lesar. Perfect. Okay, thanks for letting me know that Solex doesn't work to all of you. So I'll keep sending the alerts to the Telegram group. I don't know if you guys saw the results. Let me see, goes to here. Let me show you the results that we have so far, which is February 9 to 14, right here. February 9 to 14. It's 7 trades. We won 6, we lost 1, 198 pips, 85% accuracy. Okay? So if you follow my trade idea, this is the results you can have. Last week was 90.91%. 11 trades and we lost 1. So you can take advantage of this knowledge of these strategies and make some money. Says Kitty, profesor, buenas noches, mi inglés no es muy bueno, pero ahí estoy siguiendo la clase. Perfecto, Kitty, bienvenida. Alexandra, great. Mr. Luis, I have a question. During your process with Avanti, you mentioned at the time that you got
claro cómo puedo ayudarte con eso.
The account in profit. I would like to know which strategy you used. Was it the pre-kill zone strategy? Oh, Avanti. Yeah, I made profit twice, $5,000, and I couldn't withdraw it because I made a mistake. That if I remember, it was trades need to be 4 minutes or more. and I closed a couple of trades after 1 minute. So I couldn't get paid. What strategy? I don't remember, Rocky, what strategy I used, because that was like 6 months ago, right? But let me tell you something, Rocky. You can use this strategy that I'm teaching you today, and it's going to work perfectly at Avanti. It will work perfectly at Avanti. Okay? So go ahead and do this one. Now, let me take this away. USD. Okay, let me. Okay, guys, you have any more questions? Let me know. If not, we're gonna finish the class, and then I will send you the trade ideas to the Telegram group first, and then to Solex. Okay, because it's gonna take me about 5 to 10 minutes to do it. So let me know, guys, if you have any question. If not, I'll see you tomorrow for a Spanish session. But even if you don't speak Spanish, come to the class. If you ask me something in English, I will answer to you. Okay. I place a lot of trades that 1, 2, 3 RR and 200 less and $200 less, but I'm not profiting. What I'm doing. What strategy, Jake? What strategy you're using? I've been thinking about using the gold strategy, okay, see, because it helped me. Oh, yeah, for sure, Rocky, for sure. Thank you, Rocky. Stop loss. Jake says, I place a lot of trades, but I'm not profit. Let me ask you something, Jake. Are you moving your stop loss to protect your profit once it gets to TP1? Are you doing that? Because if you don't do that, it makes you you can lose a lot. I use Manara to check Santa. Yeah. So no, I just keep losing. Okay, Jake, do that. When the price reach TP1, which is this area, you have to move the stop loss to the entry point a little bit above. Let me show you. This is the stop loss, okay? This is the stop loss right here. This is your entry point, okay? And this is your TP1. This is what you need to do always so you can protect your investment. The price arrived to TP1, your stop loss, you need to move it all the way to your entry price a little bit above, okay? So that will take care of the commission that the broker charges, okay? That way, if the price retraces, okay, it's gonna stop you out. It's called stop profit, okay? If it makes a retracement, you're gonna be stop profit, and then you're gonna make this money. At least TP1, you have it. Sometimes a big amount of times price reach TP1 and then makes a retracement that goes to the stop loss. Okay, so if you do this, you're gonna save a lot of money. I always do that, Jake. Always. And the results that you saw on the here on the Excel sheet, that's exactly what I do all the time. Okay, I'm going to upload this video, Ibrahim, to the ECA Academy tonight, and if it's possible, and then let me do it. I'm going to upload it to the Telegram group tonight. Okay, so you guys can review it. So, guys, what is the time frame? This one is 15 minutes, Rocky. I mean, the notification, whatever notification that you get, that's where you're going to do the analysis. Okay, guys? So we're going to end the class right now. See you guys tomorrow, and check these videos later today on hopefully on Telegram group. They let me do it. Okay? Take care, guys. Gracias, Rocky.